So for the GBP, for the GBP USD trade I was taking, there was supposed to be a news by now. Just one news though. This is the news. So it really isn't moving the market where the market still is at. No much movement. No much movement. The market is still here. No much movement. No much movement on this. The market is still pretty much here. Hopefully the news by 7 is going to prop up the market. So you can see USD CAD, USD JPY, which I was suspicious of buying earlier. You can see market is currently hanging around here. So let's see what will happen. And meanwhile, for GBP JPY, why is this thing on here? For GBP JPY, this the crazy trade that just this was happening. Market didn't hit the earlier stop loss. Market didn't hit the earlier. Is this it? Okay, market didn't hit the earlier stop loss. You can see. So that's that for now. So we just keep on holding the trade and see what is next. So for the GBP, for the GBP USD trade I was taking, those must be news by now. I don't know. Really isn't moving the market when market is needed. Much movement. Not much movement. Market is clear. No much movement. No much movement on this. Market is still pretty much hopefully news by 7 will propose the market. You can see USD USD which I was suspicious of buying there because market is currently hanging around here. Let's see what will happen. And meanwhile, for GPY, why is this thing on here? GPY, this crazy trade that just this was up. Market didn't hit the earlier stop loss. Oh, to end it.